Bonjour à tous and welcome to the French Point. Have you ever wondered where the idea of putting re in front of a verb to say that you are repeating that action comes from? From French, of course. French doesn't really use such words as back or again with verbs, but simply prefers to use the suffix re to mean repetition. So we just have to put the verb re in front of the verb? What do you mean? Let's have an example with the verb faire, to do. The action to redo something would be the verb refaire. Now, I made a new verb, I can use it in a sentence. Je fais la vaisselle, I do the dishes. But je refais la vaisselle, I redo the dishes again. Or, in better English, I do the dishes again. Keep in mind here, we always use subject, re, and then the verb. This construction works for most verbs, so no worries.
Thank you!
Keep in mind that while English uses several words for repetition, French simply uses re, so the verb for words translation is not very efficient here. Je retravaille après le cours, I keep working after class. Je revois Mélanie aujourd'hui, I see Mélanie again today. However, some constructions with re are disputed. And even if French people will understand, some verbs with re sound weird. Of course, it couldn't be easy. I suppose you're going to tell us that there is a list of verbs to learn, those that work with re and those that don't. Absolutely not. Again, even if you use re with a verb that French never used with, French people will understand. As I said, the re construction works for most verbs, so no worries. As je réentre dans la maison, I re-enter in the house. It's dispute, but we get it. Je revais en France cette année, I go back to France this year. Some might say it's not great French, but we all understand it.
Yes! Yes!
If you want to go further, look at these sentences after pausing the video and write your answer in the comments below. You can also order my book, Read French from Day One. Now you understand the verb with the re. Don't forget, be confident and speak out.